Our fifth contestant is Lauren Herlihy from the School of Nursing, working with advisor Elizabeth Walters. And the title of this project is Early Peanut Introduction in Infants to Prevent Peanut Allergy.
Good afternoon. Halloween is fast approaching. Where are my peanut butter loving cup friends in the audience? Great. I want to talk to you today about peanut allergy. But first, I need to introduce you to Buddy. Buddy the baby is certainly very cute. He is also arguably very itchy. And that is because Buddy has a skin condition called eczema, which leaves him with rashes, redness, skin infections, itching, and dryness. Because of Buddy's severe eczema, he is at the highest risk for the development of peanut allergy and other food allergies. Peanut allergy in the United States is the leading cause for severe allergic reactions in children, sending them to the emergency room. But what if I told you we had a pretty good way to prevent peanut allergy? In 2017, guidelines were published based on novel research findings that introducing peanut into the diets of infants like Buddy at 4 to 6 months of age could actually prevent peanut allergy. The researchers used a group and they showed an 86% reduction in the incidence of peanut allergy after 5 years. So what happens when we have new guidelines? They get adopted right away and everyone uses them all the time. Problem solved, right? No. So for my quality improvement project, I asked the question, what are the barriers to implementing these early peanut introduction guidelines? So to answer this question, I inserted myself into one of UNC's primary care clinics. At baseline, I found that the providers were documenting discussions about early peanut introduction with these infants about 8% of the time. To understand why they're so busy, they have to remember to talk about sleep, safety, vaccines, the contents of one's diaper, right? How do they remember all this at these visits? They don't. They use note templates in the electronic medical record. It's a great technology to allow providers to deliver quality standardized care to talk about the most important things at specified visits. So what wasn't in the note templates at these visits? Content about early peanut introduction. So I changed the note. At the end of my intervention, providers were then documenting peanut introduction discussions with families 75% of the time. What does this mean? Where do we go from here? This was just one primary care clinic at UNC. What about the rest of the primary care clinics? What about the whole state, the whole country? We need to use technology, standardization, electronic medical records to improve guideline adherence to prevent peanut allergy. Let's send Buddy trick-or-treating and not to the emergency room. Thank you.